Where did Allah come from and who is the Spirit? Some people may use the word His. All praises are due to Allah. Here is a 7. It speaks to Muslims, new converts and curious non-Muslims, using Qur'an verses and teaching tone. Where did Allah come from? Who is Allah? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Simply Islamic Media, where we share knowledge, reminders, and reflections about Islam. Today's video answers a question many people ask. Where did Allah come from? Who is Allah? This is a beautiful topic for both Muslims and those new to Islam. Let's learn together, with evidence from the Qur'an. 1. Opening reflection, 45 secs. Some people wonder about the origin of Allah. We think in human terms. Everything we see has a beginning. A tree grows from a seed, a person is born from parents, the universe began from something. But Allah is not like His creation. Islam teaches that Allah has no beginning and no end. He was always there. He is eternal. He is the creator of time, space, matter, and life. Nothing created Him. Allah says in Surah Al-Ikhlas, 112:14, say, He is Allah, the One, Allah, the eternal refuge. He neither begets nor is born, nor is there to Him any equivalent. This short chapter alone answers the question, Allah did not come from anywhere. He always existed. 1. Who is Allah? One min Allah is not just God in a general sense. Allah is the one and only true God, the creator of everything. In Surah Al-Baqarah 2:255, Ayat Al-Kursi, Allah tells us, Allah, there is no deity except Him, the ever-living, the sustainer of all that exists. He controls the heavens and the earth, and nothing happens except by His command. He does not sleep or become tired. He is perfect, unlike humans. Allah does not need food, water, air, or rest. We depend on Him, but He depends on no one. 1. Allah says in Surah Az-Zumar 39:62, Allah is the creator of all things. The sun, the moon, the stars, oceans, human beings, every detail was created with wisdom and purpose. When you look at the sky, the mountains, your heartbeat, your breath, you witness signs of Allah everywhere. In Surah Ad-Dariyat 51:56, Allah says, I did not create jinn and mankind except to worship me. Our purpose is not random. We exist to know Allah, worship Him, and live with faith and goodness. Allah didn't leave humanity without guidance. He sent prophets, from Adam, Noah, Moses, and Jesus, all the way to Muhammad, the final messenger. He revealed books, and the last revelation is the Qur'an, a book preserved perfectly for all times. Allah says in Surah Al-Anbiya 21:107 about the Prophet Muhammad, and we have not sent you except as a mercy to the worlds. Islam is a message of mercy, peace, justice, and truth. The One, knowing Allah through His names. One min Allah has many beautiful names and attributes. They describe who He is. Ar-Rahman, the most merciful. Al-Khaliq, the creator. Al-Ghaffar, the forgiving. As-Samad, the self-sufficient. Al-Alim, the all-knowing. Al-Qadir, the all-powerful. When we learn and reflect on His names, our hearts feel closer to Him. Why the question, where did Allah come from, is incorrect. A thing that comes from somewhere must be created. What created exists after non-existence. But Allah is eternal. He is Al-Awwal, the first, and Al-Akhir, the last. In Surah Al-Hadid 57:3, Allah says, He is the first and the last, the most high and the most near. If Allah had a creator, that creator would be God, which means Allah wouldn't be Allah. So the question itself is based on human limitations. The correct understanding is, Allah always existed. Everything else came from Him. If you are new to Islam or curious, know this. Allah already knows you. He hears your voice, your thoughts, your pains, your hopes. He is near. Allah says in Surah Qaf 50:16, we are closer to Him than His jugular vein. All you need is sincerity. Speak to Allah in your own words. Ask Him to guide you. Islam invites you to connect with your Creator, not through statues, saints, or intermediaries, but directly. So remember, Allah did not come from anywhere. He has no origin. He is eternal, without beginning or end. He created us, and He created everything we see and everything we don't see. If you found this beneficial, like, share, and subscribe to Simply Islamic